In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up on Instagram and let's say I want to scroll my posts feed. There I got posts from accounts that I am following, and if I continue scrolling I got to the point when it says suggested posts. So since that point I will see suggested posts, and in some cases I can get posts that I don't like, and in that situation all I have to do is hit on that three dots icon and there hit on not interested. It brings up some different options. Here I can hit on don't suggest posts related to the post of that specific user. I can snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. I can don't suggest posts from that specific user, and I can report that this post made me uncomfortable. And all I have to do to stop all suggested posts for 30 days in my feed is to hit on that option, and now you see that it says that we won't show suggested posts for 30 days. You can refresh your Instagram feed and check if that's really is. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.